1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Carlos, and if you're new here, what's up? Hey, how's it going? Whatever. So today we're going to be working on a couple different techniques. Well, I'm going to be breaking up these videos into a few videos, but I'm going to be mainly working on a swipe technique and the bloom technique. But for the bloom techniques, I mixed up some more of that iridescent gel, medium, whatever it's called, with some paints that I'll show you in the video itself. But just a little quick announcement. I know in one of the videos I had mentioned I added a new member to the family. So here are the original ones that I've slowly collected. Then we got the, what is it called? Neon pink. And then I'm gonna have to put this one in front of my face because of the green screen. It might not show up. But I got the, what is it called? The aqua green. So hopefully it doesn't alter the color of it. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, we are definitely going to have a little bit of fun. And yeah, so if you want to continue supporting the channel, please make sure you like the video, make sure to leave me a comment and share it with as many people as you can. Your neighbors, your friends, some stranger down the street, whatever. All right, sorry, let's rock and roll. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to be working on a swipe using the primary colors. We're going to be using the black Amsterdam paint as the swiping paint. Let me zoom out just a little bit. There we go. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and make some rows of colors, and we're going to swipe it down, and we're just going to call that good. So we're going to have the yellow right in the middle. Start right about there. Leave us a little bit of space right up here for our swipe color. Bring this all the way down. And then on either side of this, we're going to add the red. And then on either side of the red, we're going to add the blue. And seeing that I do not have enough paint, we're going to go ahead and repeat this pattern until we get to the edges. So we're going to do some more yellow on the side. Hopefully this comes out funky. And instead of going over them all, risking me dropping paint on the other colors, I'm just going to go ahead and spin it. And add some red. A whole bunch of red apparently. And then we're going to finish it off on the side with some more blue. Not too much blue because most of this blue I'm sure is going to get spun out. We just want to ensure that we have enough paint to get to the bottom. So we're going to set these off to the side. We're going to grab our Amsterdam black. I'm going to give it a quick little shake. Even though I've been pouring all night, as you can tell, my fingers are all jacked up and glittery because I was playing with that iridescent stuff too. But we're gonna go ahead and lay down our black paint right up here, just like so. We're gonna take one of our playing cards and we're gonna swipe down. So I'm just gonna use these little corners and swipe half at a time. That way I ensure that I get a decent swipe. Just going to gently glide the paints over. I'm going to clean off the card. We're going to use, I'm right-handed. I'm going to see if this works. Alright, so we're just going to hopefully not screw this up and glide right over that as well. Let's see if we can't get a nice little zoom on some of that because that stuff looks pretty dope. And yeah, now we're just gonna spin it out and see what happens. Ladies and gentlemen, let's rock and roll. But again, the stuff that I wiped on the plastic on the table looks better than that. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and spin it out and see what happens. now that's funky. But we did not get full coverage. So ladies and gentlemen, what are we gonna do? We're gonna take some of this right off the edge and just kind of dab it right there, dab it. Can you see? Oh, you can see. I left it zoomed in. Well, I guess we don't need a close-up then. Just kidding. Hold on. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a swipe done with the primary colors and the Amsterdam Oxide Black. The Oxide Black is mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of water. And I'm not a teacher, so I'm not going to say, oh, use this much on this and that much on that. I think if I remember correctly, it was like 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and some water. But don't quote me on that. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit. We're going to go around the block. We're gonna see what is up with this funkiness. Alright. I dig it. I dig it. Maybe I tried to get rid of some of the black at this top edge, but I started blowing on it and I don't know. I don't like this entire side down here, but overall I think it's okay because it's funky. So we have some large cells, some lacing, some of the colors bled into the black. So as you can see right there, we have some yellow lacing mixed with the black, some red lacing mixed with black, more yellow, more red. Unfortunately, we do not have blue lacing. That is unfortunate. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like the video if you like the video. Subscribe for more, turn on auto notifications, and yeah, see you in a little bit because apparently I'm gonna keep pouring. All right, thank you guys.